Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint Mobile International Roaming. First, ensure your Mint Mobile account has an active up roam balance. This credit system allows you to make calls, send texts, and use data while abroad. You can easily manage and activate these services directly through your Mint Mobile account online or using their convenient mobile app. To get started, you'll need to add funds to your up roam balance. You can purchase these credits in amounts of $5, $10, or $20 through your online account or the app. It's important to check the current rates for calls, texts, and data in your destination country, as these vary. The good news is that any unused up roam credits will carry over and never expire as long as your Mint Mobile plan remains active. Once your up roam balance is loaded, you can use your phone for calls, texts, and data in over 210 countries. Calls generally cost between 5 and 25 cents per minute, while texts are typically 5 cents each. Data usage usually ranges from 5 to 20 cents per megabyte. Remember to monitor your usage through the Mint Mobile app to avoid unexpected charges, and consider using Wi-Fi for data-intensive tasks. For additional savings, enable Wi-Fi calling on your device. This allows you to make and receive calls and texts to the United States at no extra cost. If you're planning a longer trip, exploring local SIM cards or international eSIMs might offer more cost-effective data options. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link and other great deals in the description below. Remember to turn on data roaming in your phone settings when you arrive at your destination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.